I really want to read the Bhagavad Gita, but I just don't have the time to read it. In this video, you'll see how to read the Bhagavad Gita, no matter if you're a student or a working professional. Have a set routine for reading it. It may be before going to your college or before going to your work. Develop it into an habit and eventually it becomes automatic and you don't have to put any conscious effort into it. This is the most important step because this will help you build the consistency, and consistency is the only thing that will keep you on this path, otherwise you'll leave it halfway. I completed reading the Bhagavad Gita in 14 months. It may take more or less for you, but one thing that I stress on is don't pace up so much that it turns into mindless reading and it loses all its meaning. Yes, you may be very eager to get your answers, but it has to be done only through mindful and piecewise reading. Another thing that helped me a lot was rereading. Whenever I completed a chapter, I reread it because rereading helps you understand the verse afresh. It solidifies your learnings and helps you understand better than the first time you did, because this time you have a background picture of what is actually being said here. If you haven't seen the other videos in this series, check this playlist here. If this video was helpful for you, do like the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more amazing content.